Hey people, it is Saturday, November the 19th, and the time is 7:25 in the evening. And I'm on Burrard Street heading south here in Vancouver, British Columbia. I was just at the IGA grocery store right behind me, and I'm making my way back to the hotel that we've been staying in for the last 2 nights. That's Megan and myself. And as tonight is the last night in the hotel, I thought I would do a little video heading back to the hotel from this nearby grocery store. It's only about less than a 5-minute walk away, and I will take us up into the hotel and into the room and do a little room tour. I've quite enjoyed staying in this place for the last couple of days, so this won't be a very long video. And here we are. This is the Century Plaza Hotel and Spa. And we are staying on the 14th floor. And we'll just make our way into the lobby. Front desk. We got a bar over there. Modern Italian steak and wine, and over here there is a little cafe. And look at that, an elevator opened for me right as I came up to the elevator door. And head up to the 14th floor. And our room is right here, right outside the door. And look who I found. So this room is sort of set up more like a little apartment. We have a full-size couch, got a nice TV, fully equipped with all the cable channels, and a very nice little kitchenette over here in the corner. Full fridge and full stove. I'll be putting this oven to use a bit later to cook the pizza that I just bought at the IGA. Lots of cupboard space, microwave. And a good shower. Nice big shower to stand up in, plenty of room. all of Megan's assorted beauty aids. And we have a king-size bed. You can lie either vertically or horizontally, and it doesn't really make a difference.
I shall demonstrate.
Megan will demonstrate. Yeah, although your legs are dangling over, you have to go up further.
Ow. Okay.
There we
You
go.
already cut your own hair.
Yeah. So there you go. And she's not short.
Nope,
Megan,
I'm 5'7".
Megan's a tall girl, and she can totally fit sideways on that bed. Got a nice big mirror, more dresser space over there. And as I mentioned, we're on the 14th floor. Let's check out the view. If I can open this window. There we go. That's looking west. That's a hospital right across the street. It kind of reminds me of my own apartment, to be honest.
It does. It has very
not too
continuum land vibes.
dissimilar in size, and although I don't have a bed in my apartment, but other than that, it looks pretty similar. So this is it.
The annoying girlfriend causing chaos.
That's right. So as I mentioned, pretty short video, but I enjoyed the stay here for the last couple of nights. I would recommend this place if you're ever in Vancouver. Everything is clean, well kept, and in good working order.
All you can ask for a place, really.
Yep. And we have a closet over here, which I didn't even notice until now. Alright, well that's it for this short video walking from the IGA up to the hotel and up into the room. So if you enjoyed, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And all the rest. You know the drill.
Tell all your friends about it.
Yeah. Century Plaza Hotel, downtown Vancouver. Until next time, I will continue. And so will Megan.